Almond chicken. Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Today I am making a very easy and delicious butter almond chicken. Let's make it. Here are the ingredients we need to make it. 1 kg chicken. I will cut them into small pieces. Tomato sauce, 2 cups. Heavy cream, 1 cup. Almond butter, 1/4 cup. Onion powder, 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon or to taste. Turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon or to taste. Cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Cardamom powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Brown sugar, 1 tablespoon. Kasuri methi, 1/2 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon oil. 3 tablespoons butter. Heat the oil and butter on medium heat. Add the chicken and fry it. When the chicken is fried, add all the spices and fry. The spices are now roasted. I have mixed 2 cups of tomato sauce into it. Now cook it until it starts to boil. Now cover it and cook on low flame until the chicken is cooked. When the chicken is cooked, add brown sugar, heavy cream, and almond butter. Mix well and cook for 3 minutes. Now add kasuri methi in it. Mix well. Eat this with naan or rice. If you like this video, then be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.